Hello everyone, this is Sonali from the Australian Academy and today I am going to cover an essay topic for you. So today's topic is some people prefer to spend time with their own age group while others like to spend their time with different age groups. So here they have given two different approaches. Some people they like to spend time with a like-minded people or the people of their same age group, while other people they prefer spending time with people of different generations. So you need to discuss both these approaches and then have to give the opinion. So let's start with different points that you can include for both these approaches. So the opinion A or the side A is same age group, spending time with the same age group, and opinion B or side B is spending time with different age groups. So let's start with the opinion A. The first point you can include here is spending time is quite enjoyable and convenient with the same age people. Why this is? Because alike mindsets and common interest. So people of same age group or the same generation, they have similar kind of thought process, they have similar kind of mindset, due to which the process of exchanging thoughts, it becomes expedient. Expedient means convenient or comfortable. So they comfortably share their thoughts and they can make the interaction interesting one. So that is why many people they like to interact or they like to become friends with the people of their same age group. The second point here to consider is similar intellect and level of passion. So when two people they are interacting and they are of same age group, they have similar kind of intellect, they have similar kind of intelligence and level of passion. So level of passion is required to do some kind of leisure time activities. So this can be example here. So if I am interested going on hiking or anywhere where passion is required, like various adventurous activities, or if I am interested in any kind of hobby, so to pursue that I would really like to go with the person who is of my age. So that is why various people they like to be friend with other people who are of their same age. So this is the second point. Now third one is freedom of expression is higher when two people of same age group are interacting. Why is it so? Because there is no worry of customs. People need not to bother about the traditions and the customs. There are no cultural barriers, which is usually the case when two different age groups are interacting. For example, when one younger one is interacting with an older people, so there are some kind of cultural barriers there, because of which people like to interact with their same age group. Now let's move to the second opinion or the second side, that is interaction with the different age group. Why people prefer interacting with the different age groups? So the first point here is having common interests and proclivity towards others are paramount than the age number. Paramount means important. So when two people of two different age group are interacting, it is due to common interests. They share common interests and they have proclivity towards others, means they have inclination or they have liking for others irrespective of the age. So for such people, age is just a number. They do not think about the age of other person before interaction. They just want to have similar kind of interest for doing some kind of activities or to be in a friend zone with anyone. So why this is the case, why they do so? Because there is enhanced learning experience in this case. And why this happened? This happened because two people are from different age groups. So this enhanced learning experience due to the differences in their knowledge. So the second point is helpful in visualizing situation from different perspectives. Now it is clear that two people from different age groups are interacting, which means they have different perspectives, they have different opinions, they have different angles to visualize a single thing, which can be quite helpful for people involved in a friendship of different age groups. So here is an example that older people, they have enriching experience because they have spent more years, they have lived longer, so they have an enriching experience of various activities or various situations, so they can guide, they can help the younger ones accordingly. And similarly for the younger one, they are more interested, they are more curious in the technological upgradation, so they have more things about the technology with which they can help the older people. So this is the reason that two different age groups, they like to interact with each other to enhance their intellect, to enhance their knowledge in one or another way. The third point is inspirational for many people. The interaction is inspirational for many people, which usually gets overshadowed by the competition among people of same age group. So it generally happens then if two persons, they are interacting and they are of a same group, then it happens that there might be competition, and because of this competition one person can get jealous of the other one. So due to this, the actual inspiration which is really required, it gets overshadowed. So these are some points for the opinion B. Now let's move ahead towards the conclusion part. So the conclusion for this essay is, in conclusion, although sticking to the same generation seems more convenient because of similar thought process and liveliness. So the people from same age group, they share common interests, so they have similar kind of thought process, their thinking ability is quite similar and the liveliness is there. Because of this, some people prefer friendship with the similar age group people, but yet the experiences gained from friendship across the gap, the friendship between two people who are from different age group, have an upper hand. Thus friends should be made without putting age as a barrier. So this is the conclusion which is in the favor of second opinion, that is friendship should be done without thinking age as a barrier. So thank you for watching the video. Comment it and share it if you like it. Thank you.